Hello, this is Amanda from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how to deduct product from your kit settings using your Market Power Pro MLM software? That's what we're going over today. So I have the kit that I've already created. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, so then we're going to go to the kit settings. And this is the main kit. So whenever, let me just turn this off and you can see these are unhighlighted. When you turn it on, they light up, showing that you need to select either both of these or one of these. So I'm going to show you the first one. It's Deduct Primary Product SKU from Inventory. So by enabling this, it's going to take the whole kit out of my inventory. So this, for instance, is a makeup kit. I labeled it makeup kit and I put in it cosmetic eyeshadow, lipstick, and blush. It won't take any of the cosmetic eyeshadow, lipstick, and blush out, but it will deduct the makeup kit, and I'll show you how that works. So I have enabled, and I'm going to hit Save and Close. Okay, so let's go to our products, product management, and SKUs. All right, so when I was previously building this, I tested this out, and you see as there's a kit, there's -2 in the kit for our inventory. So when we order these, it's going to have a -3. And then let's go ahead and I'm going to search for the cosmetics that I added to the kit. So these will stay the same. The nail polish has a -10, eyeshadow has a -11, cosmetic pink blush has a -3. So we're going to go to the shop, click Buy Now. Going to go ahead and add the makeup kit to the cart. And I do have something enabled on this testing site where you're not allowed to add less than $50. So just for that, so I don't get that error, I'm going to add something else so we don't have to worry about. I'll add this home party spa too, so we don't have to worry about getting that error when we're checking out. Okay, then we're going to go to checkout. I'm just going to fill in all of this testing stuff for our test card. You can see here it shows what's in the kit. And then once the order's placed, we're going to check the inventory, make sure everything showed up correctly. Okay, now that the order's placed, let's go back to our product and our SKUs. So we should have a -3 in the kit, but let's check the cosmetics. These should have stayed the same, 10, 11, and 3. And then let's check our kit. And this went to a -3. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 1-239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.